Good evening, students. Tonight is lesson 7, and this is our last lesson in this unit. And this is about how do I round a decimal to any place. Okay, so we're talking about rounding. And remember, rounding or estimating is moving a number to the closest identified value. And remember, last year we talked about the apartment building. How if a number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it lives downstairs, so that means its neighbor stays the same. Or if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it goes up, the neighbor goes up on the place that you're rounding to, I should say, goes up on. Okay, so let's use that to do some rounding with some decimals. So first thing I do is I want to round this to the tenths. So I'm looking at this number. So 45.362. Now I'm looking at the 10 spot. So I'm going to circle my 10th neighbor. And that 5 is a 5. Where would the 5 go? 5 lives upstairs, which means that 4 is going to have 1 added to it, which means that 4 is going to become a 5. So when we're rounding to the nearest tens place, we end up with 50. All right, 45.362 to the nearest ones place. So we're going to circle the number that's in the tenths. Where is the 3 at? 3 lives downstairs. That means that 5 is going to stay the same, so we end up with 45. And if you remember last year, we put these little wavy lines. It means it's about that number. All right, now let's write this number again, 45.362. And we're going to round to the nearest 10 spot. So let's circle that 6 that's beside it. Where's our 6? It is in the add 1 upstairs, so we need to add 1 to that 3, which means our answer is about 45 and 4/10. And then our last one, I'm going to use this one up here because I really don't have enough space to write it. So I'm going to underline my 6 and underline my 100 spot and circle my 1000 spot here. And where is that 2? Downstairs, which means it's going to stay the same. That means that 6 is going to stay the same, so we end up with 45.36. All right, let's try another one. To the nearest hundredths. So we have 395.32. 100 place, neighbor. Neighbor's a 9. Where are we going? Upstairs. You are correct. So this changes, add 1 becomes about 400. All right, 395.32. Underline my 9, circle my 5. 5 is, add 1. So we go, is upstairs, so we're going to go add 1 to that 9. Becomes a 10, so which means we're actually going to again have 400. All right, 395.32. Round to the nearest ones place. That 3 is going to make that 5 do what? Stay the same. So we have 395. And then our last one, 395.32. What is that 2 going to do to that 3? Keep it the same. So we end up with 395.3. Very good. Good job, you guys. Make sure you copied all this stuff down in your notebook and that you're ready for your entrance ticket tomorrow. And we'll talk then.